Washer and dryer, bed, aircon, island table.
As is. Turnover unit, 1 bedroom. 76
Same size lang siya, ma'am. And then, iba lang na
with balcony. So there's a bed, queen size. Ito, 2-door na CR for private and the visitor. This is your shower. Samsung washer. It's your sink. This is your ref and freezer. Induction stove and exhaust cabinets.